a dinner party.
A dinner party?
Yeah. Like I want to like have a fancy. Like, grown-up thing. You know what I mean?
Where you gonna have that at?
I mean, at my house.
There you go.
But I wanted to
have you started? Hey guys, I'm Monique. Welcome to my channel, and today I have a special guest.
Special, y'all. Hey y'all, how are y'all?
I've known her for a really long time, and today we're gonna do a get ready with me. Years. We're gonna do a get ready with me. We're about to go to TopGolf, so we had to get a little bit cute.
A little extra cute.
Yeah,
extra cute.
So, if you like these kinds of videos, don't forget to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up, and let's get started. So I met Courtney back in 2011 at College of Charleston. I only went there for a semester, and then I transferred to Clemson.
She's not a true warrior, because you know those who made it through CFC.
All right, so we're getting ready to go to TopGolf today in Charlotte, North Carolina.
Yes.
I don't really know what I'm doing with my face today.
Me either.
I'm just gonna wing it and see what happens.
You should definitely wing it.
I'm gonna use this Dominique palette. Look how dirty this thing is.
Girl. But that means it's been loved.
It's been loved.
Mm-hmm. I definitely didn't wet my sponge.
I don't know what I'm gonna do today.
I don't know either. This is really plush. Like.
Oh yeah. Yeah. I bought that crap. I was just like, yeah. The girl that sold it to me, she was really nice though.
They always are when they want something. Then
do they get like commission?
I have no idea. You got it from Ulta or Sephora?
Ulta.
I would hope so.
I've never shopped at Sephora.
What have you been doing with your life?
I go to Ulta. I go to Ulta.
I don't buy a whole
biased.
bunch of stuff at Sephora, because Sephora I feel like is for people who actually make money, and I'm not there yet. So, you know.
I will never be there. I'm just gonna stay at Ulta, my drugstore. Okay.
You know.
We can talk about our college days, because that was
our semester.
That one semester I went to College of Charleston before I transferred to the greatest university on the planet.
That's fine. You can call it the greatest university, because College of Charleston is definitely college. So it's like
greatest.
You know, it's older than the country. It's cool.
The greatest university.
It's cool.
Flips and go Tigers.
Been out here for a little minute.
So the first day we met, you came in there so loud.
Did I?
You were just naturally loud, because you would like stay up to 2 a.m. watching God knows what while I'm over here trying to sleep, because you know I go to bed at 8:30.
Not Gilmore Girls. What's the thing called? Golden Girls. Watching Golden Girls.
Have you ever watched Grace and Frankie?
Yes, I love Grace and Frankie.
We watched. Me and Rob watched all of it, and now we don't have anything else to watch.
You watched all 4 seasons?
We watched all 4 seasons.
In one sitting?
No, girl.
Oh, I mean, like you binge watched it. Like that was all you were watching for a minute.
Yeah, basically, we watched it.
That's a lot.
Yeah, it was so funny.
It's really funny.
Do you remember the time I had to be taken to the hospital?
I do. I was like, what time was it? It was like 12 o'clock. He had on that blue shirt. I didn't know if
he had to come and get me.
Yeah, I didn't know if he was gonna make it.
what do they call it? The first responders, they didn't have to come up and get me. I was able to get downstairs, right?
Yeah. Because we were just sitting there, and they were like,
I was in so much pain.
And they came with the little, you had to get on the little gurney thing.
Yes, the stretcher. Oh my gosh, I cannot handle it.
We were trying to figure out how we were going to get back to campus from MUSC.
You ended up staying.
Yeah.
And then the police officer took us home.
Yeah. I was about to leave. Imagine if I had left and your mama had called, like figured out
you know she talked. You know Cora will talk to anybody.
That's what I'm saying. If I had abandoned you at the hospital.
Y'all, my mom does not care. She does not care. She would talk to all of my friends. And then later, my friends like, "Oh my God, I love your mom." Oh. Okay.
I guess I'm
she alright. I guess.
And my mama.
I know I am too.
I'm gonna talk to everybody. Ask all types of
my
questions.
Mom, yeah, my mom talk to anybody. She does not care. Stranger danger, that doesn't apply to her.
I guess I'm supposed to tell y'all what I'm doing. I'm going in the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I went in with. Okay, the thing I don't like about this. So I understand it, but I don't at the same time. So this says creamsicle. If I flip to the palette, creamsicles on this side.
That's what a lot of people complain about. And it's not even just the Jaclyn Hill palette, it's all palettes that put the names on the back
That makes no
instead of
sense.
just underneath.
Right, on the opposite side. It's like, bruh, that makes no sense. Oh, I never told y'all what color I wanted. I don't even know what colors these are.
This point to it.
Oh. So these two, I mixed these and put them in my crease. I have no idea what I'm doing next because I didn't plan for today, for you.
And you forgot all of your makeup.
We're not gonna talk about that, okay? Out here just struggling hard.
Makeup.
Who is Dominique?
Kristen Dominique. Okay.
Why her name backwards? And
What are you talking about?
this is DC.
Dominique Cosmetics.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
okay.
She is a YouTuber. I started watching her a while ago. She just started her makeup company. Well, I wouldn't say just started because I got this back in October,
Okay.
I believe. She has a new palette. It's called the Lemonade palette.
Mm-hmm.
So it's so pretty, and she has some glosses too. I don't know how my eyes turn purple.
At least you've gotten that far. I literally have just put something in my...
You need to get on the ball.
I really do. This is what I do. I sit there and I contemplate life. This is why it takes me like 5 hours to get ready.
And why you always late?
Yeah, I'm always late.
I wish I had
try my hardest.
You have a pink?
Do I have
Like a matte pink?
Oh, there's a pink in there. I'm looking for set.
I don't know. I just need more palettes.
Just need a room full of palettes.
Like for Christmas, I'm just gonna tell my family to give me gift cards to Ulta and Sephora. I'd even take a Walmart. Alright, I'm gonna put this shimmer on. I need to leave it alone.
I need to get started.
Yeah, probably. Alright, I'm gonna get the Set to Stun ColourPop Super Shock eyeshadow.
That has a big name.
It does. And you know that yellow color I was telling you about, that NYX one? It's called Shut the F Up. I'm not even kidding.
Wow.
Yeah.
They're getting real creative out there in these companies.
My nails look so busted. It's not even cute.
I was literally about to cut my nails and my sister was like, don't do that.
Wait, your sister's agree?
She was yesterday. She was off yesterday. And then that's why I was up at 7:30.
You never wiggle around.
Nope. Even though I've been doing better lately, just because like I'm trying to become an adult, which is a struggle.
I seen this meme, and it says,
"Is it me?"
So old people call it. It was like if you graduate in 2011, graduate high school in 2011, 30 is just around the corner, bro.
I mean, it's
like,
not around the corner
stop.
though. It's still down the street. Like it's a smooth 5 years, unless you got held back a couple years.
These 5 years about to go by fast.
Don't say
I
that.
feel like. Have you ever been TopGolf?
I'm not. It'll be the first time. I've been like golfing in the same capacity because my dad's really into
Like
golfing.
a driving range?
Yeah. There we go. I've been there. One of those things. I think I'm gonna do like. I just put that brown all over my eye. I don't know what I'm doing in my life.
You can blend brown with anything.
Yeah.
Because I definitely had on brown and I mixed it in with this purple. Oh my god. Well, I've been twice. And the first time I golfed a lot. The second time I did maybe 10 swings and then I sat down. I usually let Rob take my swings because I don't want to do it anymore.
So is it kind of like bowling?
Yeah, except with a golf club.
Okay.
Yeah. I almost hit somebody last time because I hit it the wrong way and it went up like the next level.
How? Houseway.
I'm about to like put like 8 layers of this stuff on because I think it's so pretty.
That's pretty.
God. I didn't plan on doing this glam. I don't know what happens. I swear, I was telling, what was it? I was with my cousins and I was saying how I plan on putting one color in the crease. And then all of a sudden there's this little voice that says, you need to deepen it up.
You need another word. What are you doing? Add that.
Like put on lashes. And I don't understand like why I listen to this voice.
I mean, that voice.
Maybe it's my other personalities.
Like kind of like Split. Have you seen Split? Did you see Split?
I don't like stuff like that.
I don't either. I can only see it with my sisters, and they make it funny. So we don't go when movies are just opening. Just disclaimer. But we talk during the movies. And
You're one of those people.
it's we have to like have a conversation because things be happening. And like in Split, it was just like those girls were making some dumb decisions, but at the same time, like I understood their mindset because they was young. But their decision was just like, y'all, what are you doing? I don't want to ruin the movie for anybody, but it's really good. To do a cut crease with all this polish I don't put in my eye.
The polish on your eye?
Yeah, girl, you can't tell. You see
No.
this little shimmer under there?
I'm probably gonna go blind in a second. Blinder than what you already are.
I'm sure that'll, listen, whatever.
Ugh.
I'm definitely deepening up my crease with Chocolate Diamond and the Morphe, what was this? Oh, 9C. That thing was $15? 15?
I think so.
I'm gonna go get this because I am living this Purple Rain, which is something I might use today. Oh, sorry. Sit here blinding you. I guess you can edit that out. You can put like an emoji over it? No? That won't work?
No, you can
Okay,
cut
cool.
it out.
Oh,
Tell
we'll
him
just
to do that.
You know,
But he thinks it looks.
we have a team. This Purple Rain right here, which is such a cute name.
So I'm using this. It's not new. It's new to me. CoverGirl True One Matte Made. I'm gonna use color, I don't know, Golden Caramel. We're gonna see what happens. Where's my Y6 brush that Laura Lee told me to use? All right.
She told you to use that?
Yeah, like if you watch a video, she was like, "Go get this brush. It's so good." So, naturally, I just listened to her.
Oh.
And I used her code. Get some money off.
And put some money in her pocket.
That's fine. As long as I get my discount, I don't care.
I wonder how much their affiliate discounts are.
I don't know, but I'm trying to find out so I can get my own Morphe code. Why is this so thin? Why does this ain't got no coverage? What am I doing?
Oh, you put it directly on the brush.
No, first I'm gonna put it on my face.
Girl, that's a lot. I'm good.
Alright, I'm gonna use this today. This fit me concealer. This is sometimes a little bit too light. Like,
I got that from the Juvia's Place palette. I was like, I don't know where I got this gold from.
this is like light.
So I do need to go back in with the blending brush.
You haven't even got to your face
The
yet.
face doesn't take long for me. It's the eyes that always take like 3 hours.
I never understood how people can do their eye makeup after
I don't
their
either.
foundation.
I think they're like super talented and I'm not.
I'm afraid I'm gonna mess up, which usually happens, and I'm gonna have to take it all off, but I'm take off some of my foundation at the same time, so I can redo everything.
Right.
So if at least if I mess up my eye, I can just wipe my eye.
Exactly.
There's nothing else I want to mess up. So this eyeshadow is really giving me it
I'm
today.
like scared to spray this because I don't know. Oh, that's what I wanted to tell you. This stuff, I hate the sprayer on this. This bottle is trash.
I think the bigger size is good. You know what's so crazy that you talk about that? My cousin called me, and she's and she asked me about it.
Ooh.
And it's good.
It's nothing.
Nothing. Try it on your face.
Ooh. It's better than that one. It's like a mist, while that one's like.
It smells good.
Oh, I also do my eyebrows last.
That's weird. I do my eyebrows first. If I don't do anything to my face, I do my eyebrows.
No, my eyebrows look like cavemen right now, which is, it's fine. So I left all my face makeup at my house. But surprisingly and ironically, coincidentally,
How many synonyms are you going to use?
I was trying to find another one. I use the same shade of this as Deanna, which is funny because we're not the same color. Huh.
This is not good lighting or down here.
No.
So I ain't gonna hold it up.
No. Are we?
I don't know.
I can't
I
tell.
feel like you look a little bit more golden than I do.
Possibly. And then I also have a lot of stuff
Well, I'm
right
looking
here.
right there.
Oh.
You look more golden than I do. I look a little red.
The struggle. Lace struggle.
Yes,
Have
sir.
you ever used the what's that stuff called? The e.l.f. I actually have it with me somewhere.
Oh, you have that makeup?
No, not the makeup. The lip gloss. The plumping lip gloss.
No, I've never used a plumping lip gloss.
I didn't know it was a plumping lip gloss. I just thought it was a cute lip gloss.
Oh, so your lips started burning?
Yes. Listen, I about cried. My lips were hurting.
I want to put on a lot of eyeliner today. Even though my eyes are pretty dramatic, I want to put on a lot of eyeliner and like smudge it out. See what happens. So I've been using this CeraVe like eye cream. I've been using it for a few months now, and it's lasting a long time. But I can't tell if it's doing anything for my under eyes. Like I have like some small creases, but I can't decide if it's doing anything. But I'm afraid to stop using it. But that's the only way you're gonna really find out. But at the same time, I don't want to find out.
Yeah, it's like the look of the girl. It's like either you do it or you don't.
I use it like twice a day. I swear it's making my eyelashes grow. I swear it is. I feel like you can never see what I put on my lower lash line. It just looks like I have a black eye. What? Like when I watch other YouTubers, I can see that they're putting something on the lower lash line. When I do it, I just look like...
Maybe you should put primer down first.
Anything there? I can't put primer on my little eyelid.
Oh, I know what I've been using that I really like. They're, again, talking about Bossy Charm. I just need to be sponsored. Send me Bossy Charms for free. Plus, save my $21. They put this foundation mascara in one of the boxes. I want to say this month. It has like a red tube. It separates your lashes really, really well. But
my mom bought me this Monsieur Big, and that's all I've been using just because I ain't paid for it.
What is it?
The Monsieur Big by
okay. You do have a really dramatic look for TopGolf, but I do too. It's not a complaint or judgment or critique. That's what I was looking for.
It is, like it wasn't supposed to happen. It was not supposed to happen. It was supposed to be a neutral eye, and then I don't know. I'm telling you, there's something in my head that's telling me, do more. That's not enough. All right, now I think I'm done. Does that look cute? Look cute. After I do my hair. All right. And Courtney's still working on her makeup.
It's gonna take forever, guys. It's really because I sat there for like 45 minutes, not able to.
We're gonna let Courtney work.
Yes.
While I go get cute, and then we're gonna come back for the finished look. All right, here is the finished product. Hope you like it. Like I said, we are going to TopGolf. We're running a little bit behind as usual.
But not my fault this time. It's Deanna's fault. We're gonna put that on her. Yes, see that? That's the look. That's the look of admission.
That's the person that forgot all of her makeup.
Wow,
but I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up.